Acid base nanogram diagram is given below. Changes in PCO2 are shown by the curve line. Okay, so these curve are for CO2. Now areas marked with the A and D indicate A and D. These are very simple question if you know the concept. See, if you see the area A, pH is less than 7.4. So number one, write down acidosis. The first thing which you have to notice what? pH. The first thing which you have to notice pH. So pH is 7.3 for area number A. It is acidosis. Now which acidosis? Metabolic or respiratory? For that you have to look for bicarbonate and carbon dioxide. Okay. So bicarbonate is around 48. Alkalosis. So it can be compensatory metabolic alkalosis. But if you see the CO2 in this area is 80, 70, 90 like that. Normal is 40. So respiratory acidosis. Answer is respiratory acidosis. So area number A, to be frank, it is respiratory acidosis. If you want to give correct diagnosis, complete diagnosis, respiratory acidosis with compensatory metabolic alkalosis. Now second area is area number D. Okay, this is area number D. I can see here pH is very less, again acidosis. pH is very less, so again acidosis. And CO2 here is 30, 25, so less than 40. Less than 40 is alkalosis. So it can be with respiratory alkalosis. But bicarbonate is only 8 to 4, 16 to 12, normal is 24. So bicarbonate is very less. So acidosis, which acidosis? Metabolic. Metabolic acidosis with compensatory respiratory alkalosis. So area number A is, let me write it. Area number A is respiratory acidosis and D is metabolic. So respiratory acidosis and metabolic acidosis. Yes, it is chronic. Why? It is compensated, so it will be chronic. Okay, so answer is A only.